When the devil comes to you, he won't have red eyes, no funds, no horns like the ones from childhood stories. He won't roar. He won't scream. He won't try to scare you. He'll come to you gently, in the way you love, in the form you dream of, exactly how you imagine beauty. Right when you're at your weakest, he'll stand before you in a form you can't resist, with a voice you don't fear, with a touch that knows the way to your heart. And he'll speak exactly the words you've always longed to hear. He'll give you what the ones who broke you never did. He'll give and give, at first, asking for nothing, until you forget who he is, until you stop asking why he came. He'll say the words that make you feel known, truly seen. He'll touch the wound no one else dared to touch. And then he'll whisper to you, not with force, but with comfort, not with orders, but with calm. He won't make you do anything. He'll let you choose, and you'll believe this path is yours. That finally, someone understands you. That maybe this is right. But then, when you've lost yourself, when you've dimmed your light with your own hands, when you smile, without knowing everything inside you is fading, he'll place his hand on your shoulder, gently, then disappear, leaving you alone, with only a mirror and a reflection you no longer recognize. A reflection that looks just like him.